Hey friends, if you wish to fix pin transmit failed general failure error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is to reset the network, and when you do that, you will flush the DNS, you will reset the IP address, you will reset the WinSocket all in one. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to this option network and internet on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings. Click on network reset, click on reset now, and finally click on yes. And if this doesn't help, then you can update the network driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar, open the device manager, expand the list for network adapters, right click on the MediaTek one and update the drivers. If this doesn't help, then the last solution will be the network troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab, scroll down, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters. Now click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.